Hey there, everybody. First off, I'd like to thank all the new subscribers for getting us over 1,000 subscribers. It's deeply appreciated because now everything's been accepted. It's going forward. So I'm actually going to have a steady income again. I'm building some stuff up. At least now I can get this channel along with my brother, you know, getting some things going. Now I just got to try to get my other channels going to get some more things underway, but one thing at a time. So today, well, gonna be working on the 58 Biscayne to a certain extent because, well, 9 Chevrolet clubs have pressured me into restoring it alongside the 58 Fairlane. Yeah, I asked them as to why, you know, a 58 Fairlane with a 58, 58 Ford with the 58 Chevy. And they said, why not restore 2 competitors side by side? It's like, well, okay, I could do that. I could definitely do that. So I have a pallet that I put underneath this a long time ago. I've got to wire up the bars so that way they don't drag or anything, cause any extra damage. I got to put a tire on, and just to kind of help it out a little bit more. I think the tire off of the 56 Merc will fit, because that tire will fit on the Cadillac. So I'll just have to see if I could drag it back. If not, then it'll just have to stay here for the time being until I could get a rear end. But I'm done looking for an original rear end, so I'm thinking about well, I have been thinking about is modifying some sort of a Ford, big old Ford 9-inch onto it, or something else. I thought about maybe on Wednesday I'll go over to my relative's place, Good Rose Auto Salvage, and look at some of his Fairlanes over there, because I think some of his Fairlanes have 9-inch rear ends as well. But a few other things too I need to look at. But other than that, just have to see if I can get this car pulled out. I got to put some bolts into the steering wheel, and so that way, you know, I can kind of come back and forth and steer it out, because it's kind of wedged in here a little oddly. Also, to update about the 73 Roadrunner, I'm going to wait until next year to kind of work on it. And plus two, once things get situated a little bit more, I'm going to send off for the local sheriff for a title for it. Thought I had one, but checking everything, no, don't. It was for something else. It's for 72. So I took it back over to Buck, and he's like, oh, okay. So it's a 73 because the VIN on the door says otherwise. But other than that, that's the reason why I've kind of stopped doing anything on it. So I have to figure out on what's going with it. I know some people have said so and so, but we'll just have to see. If the car is good to work on, yes, but if not, I'll still work on it, and I'll keep it around here locally, and I'll keep it as some sort of a local Baja buggy, and I'll get another Roadrunner. I mean, I know fans of the Roadrunner won't like hearing that, and I don't like the thought of it either, but in the car world like this, you have to be mentally prepared in case if something's no good. And if I can't get a title for it, then I'll just turn into some sort of a local Baja buggy, and I could do something like that way, kind of like a type of tractor sort of thing. But I'm not too worried. There's some Mopar clubs that I've been talking with lately that I told them about their ordeal, and then they're like, oh yeah, we know where 73 Roadrunners are at, we could help you out and everything. So I was like, okay. So just coming to realization and stuff, instead of jumping the gun, because now I have to be very cautious, because had the wrong title. But anywho, enough gabbing. Time to see if I could do something with the old Biscayne here. If I can't get it out today, then I'm gonna go back over to the 58 Fairlane. Well, it is what it is. So we're gonna get to it now.
Well, it fits, kind of. I guess it's safe to say that Cadillac and Mercury rims before a 58 don't quite work on a 58 Chevy. So, whatever. I'm not worried if it messes up the rim or that hub, because the rim's actually shot, and so is the hub. So it's gonna be really no big loss. But car looks kind of good with 15s on it. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie at all. I mean, it is gonna get a 454, or at least something else bigger than a 350 at least. But now to put a bolt in the drive column, so that way it stays there in case it wobbles and damages anything. I know it won't, but I just want to have something, you know, a little extra secure, so that way when I move it around, it won't cause any issues. So I better get that done, even if it's just some sort of a wire, or at least something. But have to see if I can pull it over or not. I'm pretty sure I can, but we'll just have to find out now. I mean, it's gonna work once I get it out, because I gotta keep going forward. Then and things will be free. But it's gliding just fine. Just happy that the dirt's soft enough for this. There you have it, everybody. My two 58 dream cars side by side. Well, I mean, thanks to all the Chevrolet clubs pressured me into restore the 58 Biscayne alongside the 58 Fairlane. Figured might as well. I mean, might as well. So it's gonna be a lot of action going on this winter over here, because it'll be these two along with our late father's diesel. So I mean, I won't run out of hardly any content, but I just have to see in how bad winter truly gets. Well, it's pretty much everything for right now. I guess after lunch I'll start working on the seat, get it out, so that way I can do more stuff in the interior, and I'll block this up more thoroughly in the back, so that way I have some room underneath to work, and especially get the seat out and dig out the mess and that whatever the plane rats did and dug in. But left enough room between them, you know, to have some room to work. Tried to get him at least kind of even to Steven up from nose to nose. Yeah. Oh, I just noticed that the Biscayne is looks like it's just a little shorter than the 58 Fairlane. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Of course, I don't know on the height, because 58's, well, the Fairlane's on block. Oh yeah, 58, but Fairlane's on blocks, and this is flat down on the ground. So, yeah, we'll just have to find out and see what happens. So that's pretty much everything for now. I'm gonna go in, tend to some stuff inside, come back out, do some more things on this, and I'll do an updated video later in the week on everything, depending on what else goes on, because I also have to tear down that old dog area. I think it's high time for me to take it down, because that's when our last outside dog was at. He was such a wonderful dog. Anywho, before I make myself sad about missing my pooch. So again, thanks for everyone to getting us over 1,000 subscribers, and to the new subscribers, thank you very much, and continuing on, see how far we can truly get, because I want to build a DirtCat name with this channel and along with other channels. So once I restructure a few others, you'll see them added on to the channel list, and I'll start doing some more things on there. There's another one I'm active on, another one I'm starting to get active on again, and so just have to find out in time. So me, on behalf of Tucker, wherever he is traveling right now, we wish you all adieu. So y'all have a good one now. Take care and stay safe.
See you later.